In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns in Microsoft Planner. If you're organizing work on a planner board, the vertical columns you see are called buckets. Buckets help you categorize tasks into stages or themes like to do, in progress, and done. So everyone can quickly see what's happening and where work stands. To start, make sure your plan is open and you're looking at the board. At the top of Planner, you'll see tabs such as Board, Charts, and Schedule. Click Board so you're working in the main drag and drop view where buckets live. If you don't see your tasks laid out in vertical stacks, you're not on the board yet. Switch to it now. Now move to the far right side of your existing columns. You can do this by scrolling horizontally. Use your trackpad, mouse wheel, or the horizontal scroll bar at the bottom, depending on your device. Keep going until you reach the end of your current buckets. Depending on your screen size, you might only see a few columns at a time. That's okay. Planner supports wide boards, so a quick horizontal scroll will reveal everything that's off to the side. At the far right, you'll find a grayed out placeholder that says Add New Bucket. This is Microsoft Planner's way of inviting you to create another column. Click directly on that area to begin. Type the name of your new bucket. Choose a label that clearly communicates its purpose. For example, you might name it Backlog, On Hold, Review, or Ready for Release, whatever matches your team's workflow. Short, consistent names make the board easier to scan. If you use stages, consider mirroring the language your team already uses so everyone instantly understands what belongs there. When you're happy with the name, press Enter. That confirms the bucket and adds it to your board right away. You've just created a new vertical column in Planner. From here, it's available as a category for tasks, helping you keep related work together and maintain a clean visual flow across your plan. If you're creating multiple buckets, repeat the same process. Scroll to the right, select Add New Bucket, type the name, and press Enter. Take a moment to check the order of your buckets visually so your board reads like a simple left to right story of your work. That's all there is to it. By naming buckets thoughtfully and keeping your board in the board view, you'll make it easier for your team to understand priorities at a glance. Thanks for watching and happy planning.